You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you pronounce this word? This of course comes from Italian, but it's also used in English, meaning palace. So let's break down the different pronunciations. Italian first, so you know the reference. Palazzo. Yes, stress on the middle syllable here, and the double Z is pronounced more like TS, just like pizza. Palazzo. Yeah, do you get this? Now in English, rather similarly, it's pronounced as palazzo, palazzo, rather than palazzo, palazzo. Now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.